immer wieder einen Patienten glücklich gemacht. I would like to welcome you in our dental works here at Permadental. My name is Klaus Spitznagel. I'm working here since 1995, later 2009 as a managing director. Permadental was founded in 1987 and is now one of the largest providers of dental solutions in Germany. Since 2013, we are part of the Permadental group. This financially strong group offers us the basis for successful future and investment opportunities for innovative new projects. Imagine, there are 46,500 dental practices in Germany and we supply about 2,700 of them. The team of Permadental want to be more than a company. We want to be a partner for our customers. We want to guide dentists into the future, provide them with the necessary tools and train them. That is why we offer our customers many educational opportunities with training points. Before COVID, we are live events, and during COVID, we immediately react and switched to webinars. This way, we reached many more customers and have been able to speed up the transfer of knowledge about our products. Dental technology has changed a lot in the last 2 decades. 20% of our customers already have an intraoral scanner today. The accuracy of a digital impression is almost 100%. The dentist gets direct feedback as the scan is not usable. This reduces complaint rates and delivers predictable quality. Our complaint rate is below 3% and underlines our quality. Permadental, together with the Permadental group, has positioned itself broadly. In addition to traditional crowns and bridges in all modern materials, we produce implant work, clear aligner, milled acrylic full dentures, telescopic work and orthodontic appliance. In short, the complete portfolio of the dental technical possibilities. To expand our service, we took over a dental laboratory in Cologne in 2017. This allows us to correct remakes quickly and easily in Germany. The field service was built up with master dental technicians. They can help in the clinic and present products professionally. We consequently use a CRM system. This is used to analyze the buying behavior of our customers, and this results in targeted marketing. Permadental set out 8 years ago to be Permadental 2.0, prepared for the new growing digital dentistry. Our production delivers dental technology at the highest level, fully digital. Data and speed are the currency of the future. Our specially developed digital order program called Iris is currently being introduced in Europe. We have opened new dimensions in the aligner market with our Trio Clear aligner system. Our own aligner system has already inspired many dentists and we want more here. To make handling easier, we have created an online portal to allow easy post-processing of the designs. We create more overview so that in the end we can offer our customers a faster service. Trust and a good service forms the basis for a healthy business relationship. And this is what we have made our mission here at Permadental every single day.